The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, along with executive members, staff and other members of the council, extended their heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to 17-year-old Steve Jyrwa of Meghalaya, who is set to compete in the finals of the India's Best Dancer competition to be held in Mumbai. The Khadc Chief Executive Member expressed pride in Jyrwa's achievement, stating that his participation not only brings Meghalaya into the national spotlight but also onto the global stage, where audiences worldwide can experience and appreciate the rich cultural heritage of the state.
Kumu Chief Executive Member, Jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Shillong, Haringkat, but ki members Jongka Council Hibrok Hawaii, Lingba Kanika Kubor, Nipa Yakajin Kitbok Kitriang, Kurku Kurdo, Nakamenta Usamla Steve Jyrwa, Ubalapoi Haka Final, Haka India Best Dancer, Season 4, Kabalalong Mumbai. But Nakaliang Kajongi ni pa kubor ban kubor jong kajing kitbok kerwiang ba usamla Steve Jyrwa unyo panpoi shakathong jong kajing job hakane kajing akun nakaliang jungi but nakaliang council hi prokowei but nakaliang jong kajalai prokowei ni pa yakani ka kubor kublishbon.